Hello everyone, welcome back to today's vlog. So this morning today's Easter Sunday, so I thought I'd vlog, not doing obviously anything too exciting. It is Easter, but we're obviously also in isolation. So yesterday's vlog you actually saw, which has got such a nice response, so thank you so much, was actually pre-recorded. So this is going to be like the first vlog I'm actually going to put out. I've vlogged a few days before, they didn't turn out the best, so today's probably going to be like the first vlog which is actually going to go out in lockdown. So obviously I did touch on it in one of my previous videos. Hope you're all staying safe and doing well. If you want to chat or anything, comment down below. But today is just going to be obviously a chilled one, not doing anything. And then yeah, if you like my vlogs, then make sure to leave a comment down below if you'd like me to do more. I think I'm going to do it like daily at the moment, and let's roll on with today's vlog. So the reason my hair was wet in the last clip is because I put some of that like Go Blonde, like John Frieda like leave-in conditioner, and I sat outside in the sun hoping that it would go blonder. I mean, I'm not think it made a whole lot of difference, so then I just washed it out and then attempted to dry it, but with the like diffuser with like the curly hair method to make it go curlier. I don't think it worked. I have naturally very curly hair, but it's extremely frizzy and extremely thick, so the curl just drops, especially now it's getting longer. But I'm just gonna leave it like I'm just gonna leave it like this. We're going out on a walk, so I thought I could bring you along. Get some nice like montage clips. So I've just filmed an Instagram tutorial of this look right here, effortless makeup, because I really want to get into that like on Instagram. However, I feel like it just looks like I've messed the look up, if anybody gets that. So I prefer like full glam, but this is what I came up with. I've just filmed it, put on an outfit, tried to do a 60s hairdo, but because my hair's freshly washed, really frizzy and curly today, it just looks like I've done the absolute complete opposite. My room's just now a mess, and I don't even know if I've gained anything by doing this. So I'm just trying to put everything away because my room just keeps getting so messy. Since lockdown, I don't feel like I spend a lot of time in my room, weirdly. But yeah, I've been able to use a shoebox as my tripod. It's just not really one. But yeah, I'm gonna go down now, have dinner. It's Easter Sunday, so we're having a roast, and I'm going to try and edit this look and make it somewhat Instagram worthy. So I'm going to take my makeup off. Look at the state of me. I don't usually actually use white, and I haven't actually worn makeup in about 3 weeks, but I'd usually use Pure, but I just really want it off now and I'm not in the shower, so we'll take it off with a wipe today. Yeah, so last night I watched The Joker. It was such a good film. It's like a psychological thriller. I hadn't watched it yet. I didn't have a chance to see it when it was in cinemas, and we were looking for a film to watch last night, me and my family, and it was on Amazon Prime. So I rented it off her there. It cost like $4.99, which I don't think is too bad considering. Then after that, I went to bed and I watched High School Musical, the series, which I absolutely love. I was a bit like against watching it. I don't know if anyone else really likes High School Musical. We enjoyed High School Musical when it was growing up, but I was a bit like anti. I don't know whether to watch it. Obviously I love all things Disney, but it's just like the legacy of the original one and then passing on. But I love it. I'm obsessed with it, and I hate watching them on a Friday because you have to wait a whole other week for a new one. Went to go get in the bath and it's actually started thundering, so try and insert the time lapse on the camera if I manage to get any of it. But I've just rearranged my shelves. I do this like all the time because they never look right, but I have just I've just rearranged my shelves. There is a huge web at the top. Not today. I want to keep the Bloodlust box just because I think it's like the best packaging I've ever seen on makeup. It doesn't really. These are all my, I haven't touched this. These are just my Huda PR things. And then up there they are as well. And then this I've just moved out because it looks very simplistic and it looks very minimalistic. This cost me literally £4. It's huge. It feels really good quality and there's literally nothing wrong with it. It's from Wilko's and it was 20 reduced to £4. No idea why it was reduced. That's annoying. And then these were also reduced to 25p for all three of them. They were also from Wilko's. And then this shelf is like in my door. It's connected to my mum dressers. But so yeah, this actually, I feel like it looks weird on camera, but it's really not in person. This lamp, Primark, books. Actually I think they're all from Sainsbury's. And then this is, yeah, as I said, here we've got my favourite McLovin Pop Funko. I have a lot of these, but only a few of them are actually on show. I've actually got this as well, actually. My brother actually got me this a few weeks ago, so yeah, I need to put that somewhere. You can go here. I love Harry Potter. My palettes, and then overflow of makeup. But yeah, I think they look a lot better. Good morning everyone. I thought I'd continue yesterday's vlog into today's vlog just because I didn't want it to be like really naff and boring. And basically today I'm going to do some like baking and stuff. I want to film a makeup look today at some point. I did do one yesterday, which I think I'm going to insert into yesterday's vlog, so you've probably already seen that. But yeah, my room's nice and clean. I just need to, I'm just going to do my hair quick though, just to get ready for the day. So I'm just going to put it up in like a low pony and curl the front. So I want to make some time for it because I want to do some work today. Yeah, I'm all up ready this morning, had breakfast and everything, clean my room, looking very organised this morning. Looking very organised this morning. Cleared all these out. You can see my Easter eggs there, and then just got, I've cleared all these out this morning, so these are all last night. These are just all shoes, a birthday present, and then yeah, so I'm going to do like a very flat right angle, a low ponytail, not low ponytail, low bun. I need a hairbrush. So we're gonna literally just, I put it into centre parting, that, and then I usually secure with another one. That's my hair done. It probably looks very messy, but that's, I'm not going out anyway. Pedro, sit, you high five, good boy. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel.
Close till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever try.
is, so it's the next day now. I haven't finished yesterday's vlog yet. We did some baking. It was a bit of a fail. Basically, in the context of, my dad bought my mum a mixer for Easter. It's a KitchenAid mixer. She's wanted it for years, and it's like this huge, like really good mixer basically. And so we thought we'd do some baking. It was late and the cake we made went really good, but the pavlovas failed a bit. I forgot to put one of the ingredients in. So me being the baker I am, forgot to put one of the ingredients in. So they were a bit of a fail. But I'm just filming a video. I love this lipstick so much. It's a Kylie Cosmetics one, so I'll make sure to leave it below. But yeah, basically I'm just filming a video. I'm filming my favourite Primark buys ever video. I feel like a lot of people requested it, so I thought I'd film it for them. And yeah, I'm a bit stuck on the clothing proportion, to be honest, because I know my favourite Primark buys. I don't really know how to film it basically. But yeah, I love this makeup look so much, so I just wanted to document it. I'm gonna try and get the vlog up about 9 o'clock, so hopefully if you're watching this, it should be up. It should be up at the time I set it. I was just wondering if I thought I could do this in the next vlog. I've gone off completely on a tangent. If you want to see a tutorial for this look, comment down below and I'd be more willing to film it, because it was so easy. It took me less than 10 minutes and I tried to do like bushy brows better than I usually do. I think they look alright. I mean, I haven't got anyone to ask for any opinions. I think they look alright, I think. And then I've just got, and then I thought I'd tie my hair up for a change, and yeah, I just need to get a few overlay clips as well for the video I've just filmed, and then I'm going to edit this, have dinner, and yeah, there's some paint under my bed. I think I'm going from when I used to do art GCSE, acrylic paint my Vans. I have a pair of Vans. In context, I bought them from Costco 4 years ago, and they were really cheap, and I'm talking for like Vans. They were like, I think they were like £15. They were so cheap. They weren't on sale or anything. They were just like really cheap. So I bought 2 pairs. I bought a black pair, which were really nice, and then I wore them. They're history. They're gone. I have this green pair, which I don't really know what I was thinking at the time. I was like, it's cheap, I'll get them. They're awful. They're an awful colour. There might be some people's cup of tea. They're just not my style anymore. So I'm going to paint them and try and do like a TikTok and nice pattern on them. So that's what I'm going to do. So yeah, I'm going to save that for another day, for another vlog. I think I'm going to do it tomorrow, so you'll be able to see me do that. I'll time-lapse it. But yeah, that's what's happening now. It's been a lot sunnier today. Just thought I'd update you, just because I wanted to show you my makeup look. So that is the end of this vlog. I really hope that you've enjoyed it. If you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Comment down below any other videos you'd like to see, and I'll see you in tomorrow's vlog. Bye!